na 25 news po. My question po is for Sir Alvin Manalansan. Sir, paano kayo nag-come up sa idea of collaborating with the Del Monte, one of the biggest brand po dito sa Pilipinas? At ano po yung impact nito sa tingin niyo po sa kabuuan?
Yeah, thank you for that question. We at PSND actually share the same values on practical, science-based nutrition, research and development, which is very applicable within the grassroots level, in the community level. Del Monte has long been a household name, as we all know, and partnering with Del Monte means we can scale our educational efforts much faster relatively and more effectively, especially to those who prepare meals like mothers and caregivers at home.
Para mas malaking, kumbaga, yung community po, mas lalawak.
Yes. Basically, that's our goal here, is to expand our reach as a professional nutrition organization together with a leading company who promotes also nutrition.
Kay ma'am po. Ma'am, kasi talagang yung Del Monte, araw-araw kasama na ng buhay ng mga Pilipino. Pero yung idea po na mas dapat pang tangkilikin kasi ganito, ano po yung maaari nyo pong ibahagi? Kasi di ba po, pang ilalahok sa mga ulam, drinks ng pineapple juice, minsan bibilihin pero Del Monte talagang ibibigay na, kahit pa sinabing pineapple juice, Del Monte talaga ibibigay eh. Di ba po ganun? Ano po yung mas dapat nyo pong ipid pa sa isipan ng mga Pilipino na dapat talagang tangkilikin ang produkto?
Yung Del Monte kasi, hindi lang siya masarap, masustansya din siya. So that is the one message that we want to reinforce. So we don't just provide a portfolio of really flavorful food like Del Monte tomato sauce, juice, Del Monte pineapple tidbits. We don't just provide it to make the meal tastier. We actually make the meals healthier as well. And the products that we have ingredients that actually support health and wellness. For example, tomato sauce has lyconutrients. It has lycopene, vitamin A, vitamin C. It adds to overall immunity. Our pineapples, they have phytonutrients, what we call our phytophyte. So it has it has antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties. It's also anti-cancer, anti-brain aging. So it has a lot of benefits if you include it in your daily family meal. And more than that, it's also very easy to actually create nutritious food. Sometimes we think, pag healthy, ang mahal naman gawin yan. Pero we are actually espousing that there are recipes that you can provide for your family of 4 to 5 in as little as 200 pesos. Full meal na siya and very healthy and nutritious. So that is what we want to share, na hindi lang siya masarap, masustansya din siya.
Lalo na po ngayon, panahon po ng tag-ulan, no? Mas kailangan po natin ng nutrition.
Correct. Maganda rin talaga maka-improve ng immunity. And actually, nutrition and nutrients, our first source of nutrients is really the food, sa pagkain. More than any other supplement. So yung kinakain natin, yun talaga nagbibigay ng sustansya sa katawan natin to actually have the immunity during rainy season.
Thank you so much po.
Hi ma'am, Sir Jason po ng SM9 News. Babalikan ko lang yung signing ng natin, ng Memorandum of Agreement. Ano po yung magiging role ng Del Monte at the same time ng PSND po sa MOA po natin?
What we will do is actually join PSND in doing more nutrition advocacy talks and bringing nutrition education to more communities. So sasamahan natin sila. So as they do the nutrition talks, landoon tayo. So we will expand it, so bigger scale. That's one. Second is we will also have in our Kitchenomics, we have an online digital platform with a community of mga home cooks and mothers. We are releasing their different Nutrilicious recipes. And these recipes are actually easy to prepare and also budget friendly. And they have the nutrition facts, which has been validated by the Nutrition Council and also vetted by our PSND. Na ito talaga yung nutrition elements of each meal that we are recommending for our recipes.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, sa PSND po, ano mo
Thank you.
role?
PSND together with Del Monte will actually develop educational materials. This contains validated recipe contents, and will also support the advice on nutritional value of each meal with that given recipes. Also, we will support campaigns on ground at the grassroots level by providing nutrition talks and expert insights, translating science into kitchen-ready tips for everyday daily use.
Last question from my end po. Sa tingin ninyo, ma'am, sir, ano yung mga challenges na kasalukuyang kinakaharap po ngayon ng bansa na maaari pong tugunan ng partnership na ito, especially when it comes to malnutrition, yung mga kakulangan sa sa mga nutrients na kinakain ng mga kabataan, ng mga estudyante, o di ka ng isang pamilyang Pilipino?
So it's really more the perception and the understanding that creating meals at home does not have to be very difficult or expensive. It's actually easy to create nutritious meals with regular ingredients that you can find in parang the Filipino kitchen.
Okay.
Similar to what Ms. Sharon mentioned, we hope to shift mindsets that nutrition isn't just for the privileged, but it is for everyone. If we can empower just one family to prepare or cook well designed or well taught recipes, and mindfully, that ripples across communities. We've already started to move the needle toward a better national health given that start or beginnings.
Pasensya na po. Tama po, ma'am, sir, no? Yung target po natin is yung mga magulang na maturuan sila kung paano
yung
proper nutrition.
Yung the people who actually prepare the meals at home. So help them with meal planning, help them with recipes, so that they can prepare the meals themselves.
Sa buong bansa pa siya gagawin, ma'am, yung educational talks with the household?
Yes, nationwide.
Or may pilot, may mga pilot implementation po tayo?
Nationwide po siya kasi we're starting it by distributing the recipes through Kitchenomics, and Kitchenomics is an online digital platform seen nationwide. But there will be pockets of community events all across the nation as well.
Magkakaroon po kayo ng mga seminars, mga events
around from Manila Times. So, you mentioned na hindi nga dapat expensive yung nutritious food. How did the product development team ensure that nutritious recipes are affordable?
Sino po yun? Product po.
Okay. So for on the side of
Wait lang po sa microphone.
the side of
Paayos po yung ano.
So on the side of product development or research and development, it will be part of the product design. We call it formulation development. So it's not only the formula or the taste of the product, but for each formula that we develop, we ensure that all the elements of nutrition is there. So my team, we call it the product developers, ensure that the health and wellness agenda of Del Monte is in the formula.
Good afternoon po. First of all, congratulations for the partnership. I'm Joseph from EDV. So we would like to focus on the advocacy of Del Monte. So this question is for the representative of Nutrition Council of Del Monte. So about the nutritious advocacy, of all the challenges, why do you want to address malnutrition? And what are the things that you consider when it comes to the benefits or nutrients that a recipe must have in order for, especially for the children, iwas with malnutrition?
I think Chef Jay can take that question.
Hold on.
Okay. Alright. And with the help of the culinary solution kitchen, we aim to recreate everyday recipes into nutrient-dense ones. Also considering the portfolio of the ingredients we have available, we aim to end malnutrition because it has been a long-standing problem in the Philippines by incorporating these products not only in our everyday recipes but also in the upcoming campaigns and other recipes that we aim to release.
Follow-up question. Ano po ba yung mga nutrients na dapat naglagay isang recipe po? Lalo na sa mga pamiliang recipe po sa mga na parang mas or to at least have ng mas malusog na pamataw.
Harkening back on the current nutrients that our tomato sauce and pineapple juice possess. So mainly we can lean on towards vitamin C for better vision, C overall immunity, and E for our overall health.
To add also, we believe kasi the mission of Del Monte is really all about, bringing nourishing goodness and nourishing lives of Filipino families. So that is why we really want to create, because our products are also food and beverages, and through food and beverage, we believe that we can provide this, nutrition to help eradicate malnutrition, because we want Filipino families to really live out their dreams, to be able to be all that they can be. And everything really starts from the home and starts from the food that they eat every single day.
Yes. Good afternoon. Bernadette Punzalan from Chinese Commercial News. Anybody from the Del Monte Executive. Ma'am, why did you choose Del Monte tomato sauce to make pineapple juice and pineapple solid as campaign nutritional for this event?
Okay. So
dito po. Saya ba? Pasensya na po para lang malinaw sa
so one, we start with Del Monte tomato sauce. It is naturally rich in lyconutrients. So lyconutrients would include your lycopene, iodine, vitamin A, and vitamin C. So in general, it really helps boost your immune system. Clearly, with our weather now and also the different diseases blooming around the environment, it's crucial that we get all these nutrients from our food. If we look at our beverages, our pineapple juice, 100% ACE, it's filled with vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E that helps boost your immunity. And at the same time, as what Sharon mentioned, it is packed with Piña Phyto-5 benefits, which is backed by research, which are filled with antioxidants. There is anti-inflammatory properties, and at the same time anti-diabetic and anti-cancer. And lastly, of course, our packaged pineapple products, including our tidbits and chunks. These are naturally rich in fiber and at the same time also filled with vitamins. It's actually the superfruit ng mga ulam. So pineapple is a superfruit, and it really does not just give great tasting dishes, but at the same time provides important nutrients for the body as well for immunity. So these are the hero categories that we want to be able to use to really champion our Nutrilicious advocacy.
Thank you. More question? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I just want to ask, what inspired Del Monte to launch the Nutrilicious campaign now during your centennial?
Centennial 100 years?
Yes. Ivan King.
Okay. So for our 100 years, of course, during the opening of Sharon, she already mentioned that 1 out of 4 of the children in the Philippines under 5 are actually embattled with stunted growth and malnutrition. It really hampers their overall potential, their overall health and development. So we want to be able to champion and address that issue by providing Nutrilicious family recipes that educate our consumers, especially our moms, that preparing nutritious meals don't have to be laborious. It doesn't have to be hard. Hindi siya kailangan mahal. it's accessible. It's actually just by being able to use what's already within your pantry, and nutrient-dense products like Del Monte products, in incorporating those in your dishes. So that is the goal for us to be able to really address malnutrition and stunted growth. That's why we launched this Nutrilicious Advocacy.
Okay, what impact do you hope this campaign will have on Filipino nutrition?
One of the biggest impacts that we want is for us to be able to debunk the myths that being healthy is expensive, being healthy is hard to do. That's why we also partnered with PSND, because we want to be able to lend their expertise and their science behind the nutritional values of our food. We also wanted to use our Nutrition Council to make sure that we are able to showcase that nutritious meals are affordable, it can be easy to do, and it is actually the overall importance of eating healthy and nutrilicious dishes every day that helps boost your standing chance against malnutrition.
May additional question lang po with Del Monte people po. Kumusta po ang work ng Del Monte in the global market? Right now po, this 2025, from previous years, mas talaga po bang mas lumawak po? Mas lumaki?
Actually, Del Monte is a Filipino. Del Monte Philippines is a Filipino-owned company and really focused on the Philippine market. And globally, there are different Del Monte companies that are owned by different entities, and we're not connected.
Here in the Philippines po,
Here
kumusta
in the
po ang
Philippines, maganda naman yung growth ng Philippine market. In fact, last year, our Philippine business grew by over 40% versus prior year.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
may mga new products po bang
Yes, we actually have a lot of new products through the help of our R&D team, and you can see a lot of these products here.
Yung halo-halo.
So halo-halo is a new product that we are testing, that we actually have in Metro Manila and also in Visayas.
Nasa market na po siya, ma'am?
Nasa market na siya, pero hindi pa nationwide. We're doing this, we launched this in Visayas and also in Metro Manila. We wanted to see the reception of this. So it's actually halo-halo that you can actually just pour out, add ice or add milk and also ice cream if you want. So it is a halo-halo that is now accessible to you inside your very home.
Okay.
We also recently launched our Fruity Zinc, which is our ready-to-drink, fruit juice. Recently we had a partnership with PBB. So it's something that teens and millennials actually, and Gen Zs actually really like.
Pwedeng baon siya.
Yes, pwedeng baon.
Okay.
Hopefully you can try
Two
some
flavors
of our
lang po
products.
siya.
We have two flavors. We have calamansi lemon and also apple lychee.
Wala po pong pineapple.
So, dito walang pineapple. So, but we continue to have our pineapple products. So, ito yung mga products natin which also provide a lot of parang functional health benefits. So, we have Heart Smart. It has Reducol, which has actually been medically proven to lower cholesterol in as little as 4 weeks if you drink it consistently. We also have fiber enriched pineapple products, which actually has added fiber to help aid your digestion.
Ma'am,
So,
nagtatanong, actually curious po yung maraming Pilipino pag nasa market po kami, yung difference po yung dalawang pineapple juice.
itong dalawa.
No, the other one po.
Ito.
Yes po, ano daw po yung difference nito? Kasi yun po yung madalas ko mapakinggan sa mga tanong po ng netizens.
Okay.
Ay, ng community po.
Oo. Ito, it's really your basic pineapple juice, 100% pineapple juice, and it has the vitamins of A, C, and E for immunity. This is for immunity. This is Heart Smart, is to help lower cholesterol. Fiber enriched is to help aid digestion. So very specific siya for each use.
Ma'am, no plans to get a celebrity endorsers on your
For the specific
Sir, hindi kami celebrity. Hindi na. No.
Sino po ba ang right now? You have po ba?
So right now, we actually, for Fruitizing, we are actually using PBB. The PBB.
The latest po?
The latest winners. PBB winners to endorse the product.
Oh, na-i-launch na po sila as endorser. Okay.
Na-launch na siya.
Pero sino po yung tumatayong endorser ngayon ng
For Total Del Monte, wala talaga kaming endorsement. So our focus naman across all of the products that you will see consistently is all about nutrition. Everything has a benefit, everything has nutritional value.
Pero tuloy-tuloy po yung advertisement nyo sa TV at sa online po.
Continuous naman.
Okay, I'm good na po.
Thank you. Any more questions from the rest? Or you want individual?